guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically set a reminder in Google Sheets. So I'm just going to select this to-do list one, and I'm going to just delete these, and I'm going to, for instance, on this date, I have like a very important meeting. So go to extensions, go to add-ons and get add-ons, and you're going to search for reminders. I'm going to select this one and I'm going to install it. And make sure you select allow on everything. Just going to wait for it to load a little. Done. Select the date. So it's here. So in add reminders, you're going to select the date, add a new reminder, and select the deadline column. You can also set the reminder for like an hour before or whatever. You can also change the time zone, notify me, and you're going to press done. And it's going to add a reminder to that date. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!